Namaskar. Welcome to Government e-Marketplace. Schedule-wise bunching bid. Previously on GEM, buyers used to get seller offers against items for predefined consignee locations to be evaluated on the total cost offered. However, buyers sometimes had the requirement of capturing seller offer rates along multiple dimensions. For example, buyer may like to know what the seller's offer would be for a specific consignee location for an item instead of all locations. This helps buyers to get best value because some sellers may be more competitive on some consignee locations. Similarly, some item consignee combinations may elicit better offers from some sellers rather than for the bid as a whole. This may also result in better services and improvement in delivery period because of location and item-specific seller expertise, offerings and competitiveness being taken care. Bid creation. Selection of type of evaluation. In the bid creation process, step 3, bid details, buyer needs to select the evaluation method from any one of the options mentioned below. Total value-wise, overall 1 L1 for the entire order, item-wise L1, 1 L1 for an item irrespective of the consignee location, item and consignee-wise, separate L1 for each item for each consignee location, group-wise. Buyer may select a combination of items and consignees to define a custom schedule, and L1 would be identified for each schedule separately. Click here and choose your evaluation method from the drop-down. Item-wise, consignee-wise evaluation screen, click here to proceed. You will be able to see the schedule after proceeding. Please select the primary product category from the drop-down for seller experience and turnover criteria. Bid participation, seller. Sellers can view all schedules after downloading the bid as in the present scenario. The seller can then go for the participate option. The seller will then be prompted to select schedules under which the seller wants to participate. The seller will then be required to follow the offer submission process in a similar way as present. The seller can confirm the specifications of each item. Total quantity of items to be supplied across the schedule will be visible to the seller. Seller should be allowed to offer price schedule-wise on the same screen. Offer price screen for the schedules which seller has selected. For item-wise schedule, the seller can quote only unit rate for item for all applicable consignee locations and quantities. For group-wise, evaluation will be on the offer for the whole group of items. The seller should also be able to offer unit rate for each item in the group or schedule. For item and consignee-wise also, seller will offer price for schedules which he or she has selected. In this case, it will be default to consignee location-wise. A bid in a schedule will be considered complete only when seller has entered price for each item for each consignee in that schedule. Messages and communications to seller would be as per schedules he or she has participated. Click here to participate. You may select or unselect all schedules by clicking on the respective button. Click on the checkbox to select a schedule to participate. Click on the View tab to see the schedule details. Item-wise, consignee-wise details during seller participation. Technical offering. Provide your product technical details and click here to continue. Price offering schedule-wise option available for entering prices at seller's end. Click on the Change Price tab to edit the price. Price estimation for each schedule can be seen here. Bid awarding. Price technical evaluation appears at schedule level. Buyer gets an option to evaluate vendors or bidders based on item-wise, consignee-wise. Please accept or reject each schedule individually. Please select your reason for rejection from the drop-down. Reason to be mentioned in the comment box for acceptance as well as rejection. Minimum characters should be 50. Click here to confirm technical evaluation and to notify bidders. Click here to open financial bid. Select the undertaking and click here to proceed. Schedule-wise bidding financial summary. Click View and Proceed for schedule-wise award. Financial bid details for each schedule can be seen here. Click on Open Financial Ranking to proceed. Financial offerings of technically qualified sellers can be seen here. Click on Create Demand and Draft Order to proceed. Click Confirm to proceed. Update the financial details. Click on Continue. Click here to accept the terms and conditions and generate order. Thank you.